Were her lips sweeter than mine? Is that why you left my bed in the night? Was her skin softer than mine? Is that why it was so easy to leave me behind? Were my hands too cold for you to hold? Was my head too strong, my heart too bold? Did I dig too deep? Did I get too close to the things you try to keep away from everyone? Did I remind you of a time that you have tried to leave behind? Pretend that you're alright. Is that